Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome faster on Windows system. So in the first step, open Google Chrome web browser. Now on this window, simply on the right top side, click on these three dots and click on settings. Then click here and click on appearances. Now click on reset to default. Once done, again click on these three dots, go to help and click on about Google Chrome, and now it will try to detect and update the Chrome. Once done, simply click on relaunch. Okay, so our Chrome is up to date. Now simply click on these three dots, go to settings, then again go here and click on, simply scroll down and click on system. Now use hardware acceleration when available, so simply enable it and click on relaunch. Once done, go to these three dots, more tools, then click on clear browsing data. Now we need to clear all the browsing data from our Google Chrome. Simply select all and click on clear data. Once done, go to settings and then click here, go to security. Now from here you can preload page for faster browsing and searching. Simply enable it from cookies and other site data. Once done, go to more tools and then extensions. We need to disable the unwanted extensions from our Google Chrome. Simply follow my screen. Simply go to apps. Again, remove this unwanted apps from your apps feature. Okay, now once done, close this. Again go to three dots, then click on more tools and simply click on task manager. Now end the process for the unwanted extensions. Now go to settings, click here. Now go to advanced and select reset and cleanup, then clean up computer and find it. It will try to check the harmful softwares, so if you found it, simply delete them from here. That's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.